friends, welcome back to this morning reset. Some motivation for you guys. This morning I will be taking care of my kitchen, getting it tidied up before I start work. The kids are off to school and I just want to start the day fresh by picking up my kitchen and also my family room so we can start the day on a positive, good, and clean note. Before we get into this morning reset, I do want to let you guys know that this is a collaboration with some other ladies. Mama Makes It Happen, Fairly Simple Life, She's Pretty Red, The Johnson's Life, and also Camille's Essence. So definitely head over and check out those ladies once you finish watching my video. If you're new to my channel from the ladies videos or just new in general, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4, plus a special needs mom. And on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home. So if you think that's something that you'd be interested in, I'd definitely love for you to stick around and subscribe.
For a while, I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go, but when you left I could feel it grow, like a body of water, sleeping through the edges of my soul.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no, but I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. I have tried, yeah, to become better, but I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know. Yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. Oh, oh, oh. Out of all my mistakes, hurting you is the worst. I admit I was wrong. There's only one thing to do, the last thing I wanna do. I know I have to let you go. 'Cause yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me.
I remember getting locked up in myself. That thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right. You, it's all because of you. It's all because I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do.
Something spilled on the floor, so right now I'm going to give it a quick mop down with some hot water and some Mistylene and my old cedar mop. And this is not something that I usually do on a regular. I already swept the floor, but because something was sticking on the floor, I definitely wanted to wipe it down before I started work. And also just remember, we're coming to the end of this video. Make sure you head over and check out the other ladies' channels once you're finished here.
I wanna stay forever, safe in your arms. I know that, babe, you do me right. Boy, you bring me something that I never knew. A kind of happy I don't ever wanna lose. And when I hear you coming knocking on my door, all I think is, baby, I need more. I need more. It's all because of you. It's all because I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do.
On to my family room. It's not that bad, but I just wanted to get the pillows and everything back in their right place. Also picking up some of Mason's toys. And as you're going to see, I'm going to leave a few things out there because I know he's just going to bring them right back out. So I just put them neatly in the corner. As I said, always say the space is lived in. And, you know, when you have kids and things like that, everything is not going to be 100% spick and span, tidy looking, you know, Pinterest worthy. But just make it as nice as you can in your space.